Mga kapuso, kapapasok lang na balita, niyanig ng magnitude 5.6 na lindol ang Isabela.
Imagine a world without earthquake. No shaking, no danger, just peace. But in reality, earthquakes happen and they can strike anytime. What if the earthquake happened right now? A normal day at FINMA, Cagayan de Oro College, students are in their classroom doing their usual activities. Suddenly, an unexpected disaster occurs.
Guys, did you finish the assignments? Not yet. I'm still working on it. I hope our class will be easy later. Wait! The ground is shaking! Protect your head! Stay under your table until the shaking stops!
After the earthquake stopped, the evacuation leader guided everyone to move safely to the evacuation area.
Students, follow me and make two lines. I can't move it. Closer to the service rescue. Please rest. Is everyone safe? Everyone is already in the evacuation area. The victims also already received rescue. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
This simulation